Hey YouTube, in back of me is a 1997 Peterbilt. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to start this Peterbilt. Not complicated, very easy, except that this one has 3 steps to start in this truck. Let me show you the truck so you have an idea of what the truck looks like. So this is the Peterbilt, 97 Peterbilt. Okay, it has disaster relief on it. That means that it's used for obviously disasters and emergencies. Very common. Let's move to the box so you can see what it looks like. So this is the box of the truck. As you can see, it still has the original flatbed on it, and what they did to it was grab a container box, cut the roof on top of it, and then put the operating machine to the back. Let's move to the back so you may have a better look at it. So from back here you can see the machine. It's just like the last Peterbilt that I showed you. This one also happens to be a Lemco. Okay, a Lemco means pretty much it has a big arm so it can grab a lot of things at once. Unlike the loggers machines, it doesn't have a claw. It's got kind of like a big round can, if you will. I will show you later on how the machine works and operates so you may have a better idea and understanding of it. So pretty much the joysticks are at the top. It has 2 stabilizers. You know, each leg comes down, one on each side to stabilize the machine, to stop it from rocking it back and forth. Very basic design, non-complicated. It's not as nice as the other one, but it gets the job done. So let's move to the inside and I may show you how to start this truck. So this is the inside of the Peterbilt. Very basic, nothing too complicated. This one, unlike the other one, the throttle cable, it's right here. On my last video with the 79 Peterbilt, it had all the controllers right here. This one doesn't. It's a little bit different. This one controls the throttle, which allows me to control how fast the machine operates. This is the inside of the Peterbilt. Okay, and as you can see, the controller for the PTO on this truck happens to be here. When I turn the PTO on, this light turns on, letting me know that the PTO is on. Now this one is air control. Hear it? So when I open the valve, it lets air into another line that goes to the PTO at the bottom and engages the PTO. When I shut it off, it releases the air, disengaging the PTO. So let's go ahead and get this truck started. Now the last truck that I showed you only had 2 steps. Pretty much putting the key in and starting out the truck. Now this one requires one more step. First things we got to do, put the key in the ignition. Once we do that, you know, the truck doesn't start with the key. Once we do that, we got to go ahead and we have to manually turn on the glow plugs. Hold it there, I don't know, for like about 5 seconds. Okay, once you do that, let it go. And then we come back here where it says engine start. As you can see, my glow plugs are already on. So all I got to do is pretty much hold the engine and the truck will start. As you can hear now, the engine is already started. If this light is not blinking when you turn the key on, because you don't turn on the glow plugs, the car will never start. You'll be turning the engine on forever and it won't start. And that's how you start a 1997 Peterbilt. Good luck. Let me know what you think.